we are for Rod's Tree Service and Landscaping. Taking 16 dead trees off the property. Spring is here. There's Robert pruning trees, spike free. Now we're doing a grading with the excavator, finish it up with topsoil, seed it and cover with straw hay. Log truck is loaded with all the wood. One-stop shop for Rod's Tree Service and Landscaping in Kenalong, New Jersey.